Your smile will bring sunshine. Everybody do what you do. Your smile will bring a sunshiny day.
Everybody do what you do. Smile will bring a sunshine day. Everybody do what you do. Smile will bring a sunshine day.
Okoman Radio.
Yes. Brand new week. Fresh start. Fresh energy. My word. Abusia me mamunyina Akwaaba de badodo agi atum kasa fidie yi so. Hi Okoman 97.1 radio. You know my business. From now to the hour of 6 p.m. It's your number one drive time show in the heart of the capital, Akwaaba Drive. I am your safest driver, Nana Kwame Mpere A.K.A from the finest. The man in our country, man. May I say, so what ye Jumedi Abreni Abribiara Ayabeji Egakesi. What was so FM ye? Yada se Okoswa. A.K.A Okoman 97.1 radio anopa ewia enwumere okasa fidie no gusu adaha ofa dusono eye Akwaaba Drive enti frobi no bi nsum foforo na aka chen se samre the airways commander, the boss of the bosses, Nana Kwame Mpere Matenase enti emra so se samre me be so mo akronkron Ghana osompa okuapema osompa epie mantem osompa asero kese nkoma Victor Oheneda Kulisto won A.K.A The Boy. On enemy producer mapa. Aside di ho. Nana Kwame Aponse di Nana Odamia. Chinese man. Never me mama di anda me official DJ di majumedi. Your friend DJ Tonzi. Samson na me dazigibi. Chief technician. On one assembly woko eye Facebook live. Okoman Radio 97.1. Jumedi e twegu ho. Okoman Radio 97.1. Oh boy, pe Facebook live. Ube ho studio mu live ni Jumedi live. Afe uko YouTube ya Okoman Radio 97.1. Twitter ya Okoman 971 at Okoman 971. Afe Instagram ya at Okoman 971. Transmitting live from very much Hine Memorial House Ekropone Kuyapema Mamfo opposite the Parliament spot. We are live and in charge. Me mamunyina Akwaaba, everybody safest drive. So once again, I am Nana Kwame Mpere.
Welcome. Where's the Lord? Akwaaba on the river. Welcome. Where's the Lord? Akwaaba on the river.
Okoman, the crowd.
Yes. God is on your side. Don't be afraid. He will never forsake you.
We are blessed.
Praise God. Ready?
Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey.
To the glory of God.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
I have Jesus. I have
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Me wo adinyi nara. Na say Yesu bo me a adinyi na bo me. Say me wo Yesua. Me wo adinyi nara. Na say Yesu bo me a adinyi na bo me a. Say me wo Yesua. Me wo adinyi nara. Na say Yesu bo me a adinyi na bo me o. Say me wo Yesua. Me wo adinyi nara. Na say Yesu bo me a adinyi na bo me. Say me wo Yesua. Me wo adinyi nara. Na say Yesu bo me a adinyi na bo me. Say me wo Yesua. Me wo adinyi na bo. Yesu bo me a adinyi na bo me. Oh, say me wo Yesua. Me wo adinyi nara. Na say Yesu bo me a adinyi na bo me. Say me wo Yesua. Me wo adinyi nara. Na say Yesu bo me a adinyi na bo me. I have Jesus. I have everything. He won't go riot to victory.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Everyone, yes, to Christian, and you are at the Nara. Say yes to Bomia, Adini na Bomi. Everyone, you are yes to Christo, be woman, and I'm a Wadini Nara. I saw yes to Bomia, Adini na Bomi. Oh, send me boy, yes to her. You are Adini Nara. I say yes to Bomia, Adini na Bomi. Everyone, you are yes to Christa. You are Adini Nara. Yes to Bomia, Adini na Bomi. Me see, let me go yes to her. You are Adini Nara. I say yes to Bomia, Adini na Bomia. Let me go yes to her. Adini Nara. Yes to Bomia, Adini na Bomi. Send me go yes to her. You are Adini Nara. I say yes to Bomia, Adini.
We are blazing. we are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
For making the Reverend Benji A.K.A Okoman FM 97.1 every Columbus, Ohio, USA. Okoman, we are too awesome.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Pesa mikate mimi ndio kuwa yafuja joto. Okuma yensoni na ne power.
Heaven yena yendio yebeko heaven enyanwe heaven oh yena yendio yebeko heaven. You see heaven yena yendio yebeko heaven Christopher heaven oh enyano oh yena yendio yebeko heaven. Yedi brebo beko kodu nyami anyway. See yedi brebo beko kodu fia kodu nyami animo. See yedi brebo beko kodu fia kodu nyami anyway. Yedi brebo beko kodu fia kodu nyami anyway. I'm training for Kamo, and GD for Kamo, I'm Brazil for Kamo. I'm empty for Kamo, I'm for Kamo, I'm Brazil for Kamo, I'm for Kamo. Yeti brebo beko kodu fia kodu nyami animo. Yeti brebo beko kodu fia kodu nyami animo. See yeti brebo beko kodu fia kodu nyami animo. And pray for Kamo, for Kamo, for Kamo,
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
On the last day, true believers shall be raptured. On the last day, true believers shall be raptured. On the last day, true believers shall be raptured. On the last day, true believers shall be raptured. On the last day, true
the Son of the Living God come for the wedding side. And the Bible says he was in Cana. He was turning water into wine. He was. He was in Galilee. He was healing the lepers. He was. He was in Capernaum. He was casting the demon. He was. He was in Judea. He was in Samaria. He was. He was in Jerusalem. He was. He was in Bethsaida. He was. Right now, he gave the Father in right hand side. They intercede for me. Then where he go come back and take him home go ahead. You make ready or you be not in the back. Oh yeah, that's all they do. On the last day, true believers shall be raptured. On the land, true believers shall be raptured. True believers shall be raptured. On the last day, true believers shall be raptured. On the last day, true believers shall be raptured. Hey! Jesus Christ, amenyani minyani mo. Menyani minyayo.
Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Yesu Christ, amenyani minyani mo. Yesu Christ, amenyani krani mu pinti. Senya menyani ya. Yesu Christ, amenyani minyani mo. Yesu yenyaina. Oh, Almighty.
I believe in God the Father Almighty, creator of heaven and earth. I believe in Jesus Christ, his only Son, our Lord, who was conceived by the Holy Spirit and born of the Virgin Mary. He suffered under Pontius Pilate, was crucified, died, and was buried. He descended to hell, and on the third day, he rose again from the dead. He ascended into heaven, and is seated at the right hand of the God Father Almighty. From there, he will come to judge the living and the dead. I believe in the Holy Spirit, the Holy Catholic Church, the communion of saints, the forgiveness of sins, and the resurrection of the body, and the life everlasting. Amen. And this is the true Christian church of all time and all places. You're from another Kwame Mpere A.K.A, from the Phynest. And Mamma catch you, Edu Sambre ya no suru hini nyame abrasemadu kata wire bema pamwo nyankopon empempem nyina nyame ya Sambre dodo na twere no enso na basambu da biara da kokromoti Sambre gantimi nsan na ho mopo aye bia fu nyame ototorobo nsu nyankopon Sambre wuto nsu sambo awia dunsia usi kofi firibu abrefo acha sunyame a wo che esu obia so yeda wase se wode enough afei ene eye week fufuro yi awurade wo bomodin ade atomo yen yeni agemoroso esane se yehwe babia yefi Ene pempe so odomo Nyankopɔn wodi adom yɛn na esase ye bomodin yi waye ne yade ano fofai eda wase soronko Ghana mind da wase apie mantamu da wase okuape mind da wase Robo mind da wase afa yenuanum a samre mu voter region yesu ya da wase abusia me mamu nyina kwa abadeba the surface drive so wey eye Akwaaba drive no waje me so say ofie pe ehɔ na ye me de no he was no mo ye de
He was in Capernaum.
he was in Okoman he was
in Judea.
he was
In Samaria.
he was
In Jerusalem.
he was
Nazareth.
he was
Bethany.
he was
Bethsaida.
he was
Right now,
he did the father right hand inside
that's it for me. Where you go, come back and take him home.
everybody aye bio
Make ready or you be not back.
he what chechere kura na nchechere na wo boss still na mpai wo bom na mie wo bisa na wo hu a kai asamba akopa urade de dom yen wa me ya tiasie se oboni pasa ne nsa so edi ohaw ababrese eka ehu echese ejojo sembebo wafam but asema me no ka awiabre ene se ema wabamumu mami ema wabamumu minu abema ema wabamumu kachi ema wabamumu sister ema wabamumu onua ema wabamumu esa ne sa titibe me Nyankopon asamre oya osu aburuburo
Jesus Christ, amen.
Sabre abresomadu katawire bama pamwo Nyankopon no nia waka ana busua ebeye ho and I am talking about time and I am talking about time obiane ne brede boy obiane ne mbri Nyankopon hihye ma no enne wo yo ohene echina me metimi aya akoa ba akoa bitimi bedane ohene I say God is good. Oh man, to say more Jimmy, so me say God is good all the time. I was your God so wufo. Ewurade adomuma enne ye ka ati asafo a wonso wo ka ho. Ade empokura mpo na wo hwehwe bio. Se ewurade abomodin adomu kwa. Forget ye ka wo de. Forget samre ni mguasi ye di agu. Forget samre atete semni o how bi ni kodan labi samre da wabra baso. Se wo nkwa no. Jitum se wonim ni awu benya. Donzi enne. Wo tete wo ha wo subigu. Wo ti asenko an de wonim ni awurade edema in the next few minutes, in the next hour, in the next day, in the next month. Etijidi se awurade ebetimi aye ensenkyerene abribiara ni abribiara. Right.
Okoman Radio.
Da da da.
7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Invite according Ebi Kasa. Omantio. The Dona. Sanctuary this empire. Yaboyacho. Mame Jose. Yonyamia. Mantekra. Yaboyacho. Mame Jose. Yonyamia. What's he asking? Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine in the kingdom, the power and the glory, forever and ever. Can we all shout amen? Bam, 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 bam. Matthew Mosidie Adiboniche.
You're a miracle worker. You're a destiny changer.
Amante
Yeni
obinye bida. Yentue. Sanctuary this empire. Yaboyacho. Mame Jose. Uyonyamia. Na ene Daniel chapter 2 verses 21. Ana bushiamedi show unkran ewiabre. He controls all the times and the seasons. He makes and unmakes kings, and it is he who gives wisdom and understanding. Mami says to be onetie me baby awobia. Daniel chapter 2 verses 21. I see he controls the times and the seasons. He makes and unmakes kings. It is he who gives wisdom and understanding. Ono enema adwen enentiasia. Ma sanctuary this empire. Yaboyacho. Mame Jose. Uyonyamia. Otiase. Sanctuary this empire. Yaboyacho. Na ene asama me no che bidika ka cha we are talking about time. Awurade afane boa eche ansa wato the boy. Now what kind the book of Daniel chapter 2 verses 21. I see he controls the times and the season. Anything na me ka cha say obidie ba no pa. Obedience to me ba wia. Mami susu se samre wu hwe obi asaso de sawasa. Once ankamua Wubasebu nine. It's an is a woman in Soye. And now Kwasoba, it's a matter of time, it's a matter of season. Now a hakra nesanya medeno. I see he makes and unmakes kings. I don't know singing I sent to him. The boy. There make a cry. I know you'll be wondering why I'm so excited. From Unra Makan Savesi, Makan back to back. Abomadia Jimre Atiasie Epise Urade and Won Aquanchere. So Wamama Tiasia said, I want me the more biara the boy. Then why the race? Say, I see a woman at the mouth. I want the mamia. I didn't know how to we me pray. Say, a semi kotobi. Abra me time in Yansun ye.
Kwame was to the beer. Nipa ne pre no.
That's right.
Nyame de on pre no. So
that's right.
Who said the beer me can't say baby ye fear we do ha no obi nim ye bi so tiase
Debi
be sham to me kan ade na mon ko krokasim radio station akase ni bi ba bre ne so ye no ye ne akasefo ne nyina abegina nkonkon so kisa ne ompe no kure
Debi onim
ne ompe no kure no
onim
Okoman ha
yeah
Ubo station bi edi wo Ghana ye ne omo ye pe se o kasika eyebre o ka adverta eyebre o ka ka eyebre Okuma obi se obi a wo ma ehwe Facebook YouTube dey say mo pictures quality ni ade no we dey mo dem
wow eyebre ni me pass obi a who said me catch us over the weekend I mean MC program baby me share one of the renowned MCs I was Ghana Minister Dodo na tinidin kwasi check da kwa KKD na obia eye oba ho will testify. The man held me for hours. The question ye ufi kromu haya. Ufi kromu haya. No, you are such a great talent. The boy, wako program Emma a software the woman say egu so on several time, on countless time. Esane say your delivery was on point. Esane say next safata. Say somebody ye bompa ye mau. Eye mre.
He said if you are donzi
that's right.
Libreni. Libre na beka say me be as baby ye free no baby ye no. Wa Bible ye free baby lodiba.
That's right.
A place of no information or communication. Inti baby ye woro say nyame anya wadom a. Yeah, na ohene Saul ba.
Yeah.
Jonathan na ne ba na sini na ho na otie.
That's right.
Inti bra David be dia de no say why na aka was Saul fie na Jonathan de me na do no say aka ne baba akope no lodiba ono kra ne nan nye. I say ni papa nti ko friend bra. Inti bra na so a it doesn't matter where you are.
Yes, the favor of God will locate you wherever that you are.
I mean, obi present me university ameko. That me say you go pay immigration. Kwa here line yasa. Obi one wa amre. Ne bre na so. Bible Christ say in his own time he makes things beautiful. And also now we call Daniel chapter 2 awaka. Or see he controls the times and the seasons. Yeah.
Enti no every biara any enshira a nyankopon de ma afoforo enne ebia ye kua ekira ebetimi aya kosua enne ebia ye kwabra ekira ebetimi aya kwame enne ebia ye kwame ebetimi aya kofi ana ebetimi aya kwadwo. It is a matter of time and being patient. How need you beba me ensro me encanto so say we di ontimi nye yie. Just believe in yourself, and the Bible says pray without ceasing. Bompaya eni awie ye.
Ade ba kwa o say onu no sihini.
That's right. Esa to hini.
Na me nimi say obe corner sa direction nka me ma don zibo nyum bi.
That's right.
Atu hini sihini nyame. Onu na oka ebe.
Just say onim ni oye.
No nyame prekope.
That's right.
O say o sinadi nyina meja.
Debi.
Odumankoma.
Hey.
Odumankoma.
Say me hwa ne awurade eka kire me wo Daniel chapter 2 verses 21 yi. Ewi abre baby awo bia mo akoma nto yam. To bo ase empre wo ho. Say ede eye ene date ye exactly on the 8th.
Yeah.
Ene ye won krofo bia wo ye dan omo nhira hook or crook ebeba.
Yeah.
Echina ye won krofo bia omo nhira hook or crook ebeba.
Me pie na me switch out no opinion no. Ya brand ba ko otonwum wo ye soro ha o ka cheme say oye worship wo one of the stations min kona min koti and I help me bobo me say na me gina wo din na brand ba ko bi say ade na say papa we minim ba bi ofire and na minim ba bi okọ
wow
nyame bre na so ye no nyame de na ko du ho no
wow
enti memo bia ba mu
Debi
ase kwam na ade ba ko pesa me kan say wo bre ba na ma o chance na perform.
Che wunya opportunity na you kill. Na ene awiai minim ba bia obutu ana minim ade a wahwe anim acha emma basani America eka in the book of Daniel chapter 21 edema 2 and 21 no edema no echra awurade wo mere ode ye na ade onu no si hini esen to hini onu no si empu a epu eda bia ni mu nhira awurade edema
onu no de anya aye share.
That's right.
E dey man nsuo. Se me mapo emekrom.
Wow.
Ponati ati ase woda tema station echi.
Eji owo ne limit. Omba krom so da. Omba krom so da. Sa na po ebetimi afo obi nu akodi agro wo po nimu. Ansa etimi afa no. Onte po ano mapo. Otkotena anwa na achukura mefa wo.
Kwame, the makings and no making. Moja, Kwame se si a wote ye no nyina. Se me kan say asemasi. Accident se ye try ensa. Ye benya artificial ensa ahye. Ye 90 ye benya bi ahye.
That's right.
Ye need to benya bi ahye. Kwame moja artificial ni ho.
Debi.
The makings.
Nye na odi begu mi mu.
Den no.
Enti abushia awiabre mesre osoro hini nyankopon dodo wadamfo a o chemani su obia so se samre omo wabotre ani gidie honhom because se wo bompaye na wo ni gidie ana gidie ntampa bo na chi a ensi aga se wo twen e wo gidie mu awurade hirawo wo twen and you wait without any belief you are waiting in vain. So wo betwen asambere gidie bia ni akire no eni anamontuo bia ni akire no yemfa yensan hye de mirifa mu kase ye twen awurade amana be hira ye you do something and God bless you. That's right.
Na Abraham di 100 na Sarah di 90 but Abraham nko ye nyina say Abraham asefo at the age of 90 years at the age of 80 years obi wo ya Kwame wo brebeba
den na kire se wo nso ntime hu hwe otimi di obi a na oye akoa asambere oda afiase eba ye second in command den na kire se urade ontimi nye bi ma hu Abushia, that's right.
Mami a obo ne nwom yi. Na na ndwe heme. Obi a woti e bia no so obetumi anya. Obecha ase no bo nwom bi first. France J.
Yeah, na me bo praises.
Praises no. Mami obake France J.
Okay.
Ne 10 fa bon. Me twiri obo 10 bi. Na mami we ne back. Yesu ni wan yo wasima.
Edi o wabre.
Wampre ne ho da.
Ye
tieni I think 3 years
and 4 years 4 years
and wabe dominate the gospel
and now
industry.
He is the artist of the year.
Yes,
both UK and Ghana.
Yes.
That's right.
Obi ye ko bi se mu de mu ni mo ha mi ko ha no enso nsi nyame.
Century this empire. Yeah boy you. Me hu say we yo nyamia. Awurade ni adini ye. Ogusu ani ye bedini ye. Isani say wa peja yen. Eno wa yi yen afi ohaw ababere se kodanna. Ni abonsam ni pesa anka ebeto awurade mma no. Ono ama ho kwan amana nto yen. A fresh week. Fresh start. Yaba bompa ye man. Na enne week ya yawura mu yi enye inhira asem bone de enko achirichirichira na ensem papa na ensem denko a emra nipa brabo mu.
Kwame obi otie awie bia no Daniel homa no bia kenkan ye no omie ho. Na on Daniel chapter 2
verses 21 22.
Ye bompa ye wo Yesu Kristo Nazareth ni din mu. Ono atumi ni enkwane ahoden nyina ekura no. Owura for ahoden egu maso. Obi tie wie na ndaso nyina sa. Wa wuto yin na wusi hene. Owura mo nyam enkasa ema wo ma. Obi hwe kwan so benya boafo bi. Ye boafo ne wawura de. Wa obade nyina mo yeye no. Owura una wuto hene. Una wusi hene. Una wo ya de pa ma wo ma. Ma wo ma wo nyam enne duani na watwa ye wura mu yi. Emparo ma so mbesere no madi. Emparo maso mbesa nsa no mahye ni oton wura mayento ya sum fidie bi dia mo bia enne na watri on the 8th of November ye hwehwa sa fidie ni nyina awo Yesu Kristo Nazareth ndimu bebia wo bia wutie mi ebia wo da hospital mpaso ye do wura theater ya chokrata bia bra o se asem bia to baby asem bia to kunu woni so ye okrakra unyame ne okasama de nyina ye kom no obrenie onkasama onyu fija tamnem Enfansi enkonkon so Erade so mu 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 baby a wokwa wonnim ho owura no fa nkodu asomdwe so na ho de na basanta so onye murukum jankata so afa me de wa wotie yen ade wo nyame sonson kronkron me de wo nyame agya me de wo nyame oba awo Yesu dimu na watwenye nkonimde ani asomdwe ama ye ne atiefo nyina wo Yesu dimu ama odasidie adumunti. Amen.
Amen. Etikai Daniel chapter 2 verses 21. Kain abribiara unsa foforo koswa wewira ho. Kain na faje je ntiase se obia ne mmere anyakopo eden edi hira no. Ya from Nana Kwame Mpere. Ubetimi afami the finest the meme nyina ka chere me. Belated happy birthday Kasia Pankoma Miami only sister Vera Ayibia Tebi Mrs. You know Kasaidia who was Suhum District Assembly. Nichiao Wone Uknu Eye Kobi Onosone Manager Edema Prime Insurance Eastern Region. Akonta party ni die mo fansha Sunday. Oh, you're a miracle worker. It's exactly 47 after 3. Hi, Okoman 97.1 radio. We'll join you on Facebook Live. I will comment here. If you go YouTube, so everybody will comment and so on. Okoman at Okoman Twitter. At Okoman Twitter. Your handle at Okoman 971. Instagram here at Okoman 97.1. That's right, at Okoman 971. And for Ubamadia Kopiamo YouTuber, YouTube here Okoman Radio 97.1. And our Facebook Live, here Okoman Radio 97.1. Join us and let's entertain and have an exciting moment on radio from now to the hour of 6. You will regret it tuning into Okoman 97.1 radio. Once again, you're from Nana Kwame Mpere. I'm from the finest, the man you know catch you me, and this is how I start Monday once again.
Oh my God.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Oh my God.
If you want to go make you mine, if you want to go love you die, anything you want, maybe say I go buy. No, if you want to go make you mine, me de makumama winti fa. One drum ni eti sorry sa. Hey, I'm a soon cry, I'm a down more. I did my eye, so in Chile, but I'm going you. I'm say, I do it I'm going you. It's a me pesa, the cut show, my messa. We are must be a penna, I come with ma, the drone, to me, who I'm in. I did a penna. Me de makumama winti fa. One drum ni eti sorry sa. Hey, I'm a soon cry, I'm a down more. Me de makumama winti fa. One drum ni eti sorry sa. Hey, I'm a soon cry, I'm a down more.
Exclusive media man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Unchena meda, jemu manenka igbeni se kabakaba. Woso madoma, na me wodoma. Tina makoma no media kote wakona. Wodo ni sipi, kujisa kidi switi. Mempe wasema kamene wombe wutiti. Beda menchena me convenient to usisi. Ohima me shewoka wa forget Phoebe. Odi modono ntina ya me dosu kono. Nyodi kume nenkwane nenkomo bono. Edwa ho machina senia me ho fono. Na kuma ne dami se mona machechele.
Me de makumama winti fa. One drum ni eti sorry sa. Hey, I'm a soon cry, I'm a down more.
grass in the yard was shut up.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Body the shot, they got it for days. So don't call me prep because the way you pick one of your ways. Forgetting the band dressing, actually get it with taste. Until my casa crash, I want to case cause. Obi you get money they talk. If you don't get money, hide the face. You don't go fuck. Shake Venchi, red bottom.
Station where your man can get. Okoman Radio 97.1.
The berry, the sweet and the juice. Baby, let me open your cherry. I'm in bold blues. And I pull up a Chevy. When we cruise, one mess in the younger papi will bloom. That's on the house now.
If I tell you that I'm blessed, you go see, so I don't get stressed. She did beat me for my chest. Damn, I'm lucky. If I tell you that I'm blessed, you go see, so I don't get stressed. She did beat me for my chest. I love it. Damn, I'm lucky. I'm lucky. Mommy come jogodo, I'm lucky. Daddy come jogodo, I'm lucky.
We are blessed.
Damn, I'm lucky. I'm lucky. Mommy come jogodo, I'm lucky. Daddy come jogodo, I'm lucky. Tonight we go jogodo. Damn, I'm lucky.
Tonight is the night, drinks for two. Hope a poncho so I bring some juice. Remember the best offer you can't refuse. And Casacra, now your body is seduced. Keep it gangster, me mugging. I go worship your body, keep it up, you love it.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Been a long time coming, but I'm still falling. Obi to me, they make ham. Nobody not got me down. But yeah, never mammy pam. Yanko pona mammy nam. Me the recover me fam. And I dream about the time. This is me brava me ram. Who is chilling in yam. And I dream I will be doing the most. Forget your mono when you now your post.
Station where your man can get. Okoman Radio 97.1.
If I tell you that I'm blessed, you go see, so I don't get stressed. She did beat me for my chest. Damn, I'm lucky. If I tell you that I'm blessed, you go see, so I don't get stressed. She did beat me for my chest. Damn, I'm lucky. I'm lucky. Mommy come jogodo, I'm lucky. Daddy come jogodo, I'm lucky. Tonight we go jogodo. Damn, I'm lucky. I'm lucky. Mommy come jogodo, I'm lucky. Daddy come jogodo, I'm lucky.
Baby, let me prepare your heart. I beg God, it won't stay in your heart. Maybe I'm happy, but I prefer your heart. Although come about, so let me repair your heart.
Station where your man can get. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Many love stories heard in your ears. The tears in your eyes make I know you the fear. But I promise I will be a better man.
Within the A.K.A Castro, no Mandela Market. One me watching Castro back up no size. Okoman for my jade papa. Me felem. Okoman for my man here be woo. Oh, Okoman for my jenny na mumo ne yo. Ya mama juma pa. And then the farm de abo men you. Yes, you could have simple.
Okoman Radio.
You go see, so I don't get stressed. She did beat me for my chest. Damn, I'm lucky. I'm lucky. Mommy come to me, don't wash it.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I'm lucky. Mommy, you go see, so I don't get stressed.
Me ja say Okoman asopua twumowie bibete. Ni to bar, to bu afapa.
You go see, so I don't get stressed. She did beat me for my chest. I love it. Damn, I'm lucky. I'm lucky. Mommy come jogodo, I'm lucky. Daddy come jogodo, I'm lucky. Tonight we go jogodo. Damn, I'm lucky. I'm lucky. Mommy come jogodo, I'm lucky. Daddy come jogodo, I'm lucky. Tonight we go jogodo.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Hope a poncho so I bring some juice. Remember the best offer you can't refuse. And Casacra, now your body is seduced. Keep it gangster, me mugging. I go worship your body, give you some sweet loving. I dare be now your body is calling. It's been a long time coming, but I'm still falling. Obi to me, they make ham. Nobody not got me down. But yeah, never mammy pam. Yanko pona mammy nam. Me the recover me fam. And I dream about the time. This is me brava me ram. Who is chilling in yam. And I dream I will be doing the most. Forget your mono when you now your post. Remember when we say feeling in your dope. Private time in jealous have it too.
If I tell you that I'm blessed, you go see, so I don't get stressed. She did beat me for my chest.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Mami de one real. Tell me who any mama could bet to. The teacher mama now what you're yet to. Oh, tonight.
Okoman Radio.
I will love you for the rest of my life. Baby, you don't know what I'm feeling inside. And I go love you till come day by my side, my side, my side. Oh, tonight I will love you for the rest of my life.
Play with my pillow, hugging and kissing my pillow, yeah. She wants me
Okoman Radio,
giving me that
97.1.
impression, yeah. I say, baby, me, boy, yeah. Touch me with your magical hand, oh yeah.
Okoman Radio,
Lovely, yeah.
Okoman Radio,
Let me be your pillow.
Okoman Radio.
You know it. I'm always at your service, yeah. I'ma kiss you and tuck you in, yeah.
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
You know it. I'm always at your service, yeah. I'ma kiss you and tuck you in, yeah. I really wanna tuck you in. Maybe oh girl, I go check you in. Girl, you belong to me. You know what is coming, don't be so naive. That thing, yeah. Making you happy and too cheers. I know best I wanna be. Mimfamano, and I'm Mimfanchano, yeah. Tell you, I'm po. She's funny and crazy.
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Let me be your pillow, eh.
You Okoman, what the movie out, Maba Montana.
I'm at your service, yeah. I'ma kiss you and tuck you in, yeah. A pillow, eh. You know, eh. I'm always at your service, yeah. I'ma kiss you and tuck you in, yeah. If I would teach you me so
so make a put a drip on you. And if you come into my world, guarantee no nightmares. Oh nana, and I go take away your fever. Anytime, girl, you the shiver. I give you my heart, give you my liver. My heart, the pump 1 kilo. Never see a boy so romantico.
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Yeah. Let me be your pillow, eh. Do you know, eh? I'm always at your service, yeah. I'ma kiss you and tuck you in, yeah. A pillow, eh. Do you know, eh? I'm always at your service, yeah. I'ma kiss you and tuck you in, yeah.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio.
Let me be your pillow, eh. Do you know, eh? I'm always at your service, yeah. I'ma kiss you and tuck you in, yeah. A pillow, eh. Do you know, eh? I'm always at your service, yeah.
We are blazing. Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Nana Jua Ekropon, Debbie Amitie Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio, Eju Ekwapi mine. Debbie Atie, 97.1. Okoman
from a man can you? Can you cry? What's the baby? Only size what? Abraham Maneka say, Mommy's joints back. A man for a good rose. Okoman Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from a man can you? Can you cry? What's the baby? No one will cry. No poor you are not true. There should be a material. Only size what?
Okoman, K.A. You are neighbor. Okunumoya Dinia, Okoman, 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 K.A. Okoman, you are
your friend me Grace, Okoman Radio, you are the best, number one. Aquara man, so change count for then she am one. A.K.A we are fantastic.
I'm a friend of Bonde, but you know how I get what I want share. It would be I am not grow with me, so I'm really taking a piss. Them a kind of their one pay. If you saw the one I do, I was it. Because let me be a guy. Watch my swatch and I was so many what they can keep and until the person is on the moon park. If it's be on a coast or your bay, all I gotta do is take your hand and run away. Okoman Radio, 97.1. I'm in front of the video, the one I did.
Okoman Radio, Okoman Radio, Okoman Radio.
Baby, I wanna kiss you. And I got you. You look so sweet, baby. I said that I was stop on.
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
She have better than the rest. My woman too clean, you know that you like the best. Tell me dream more, yeah, me choice. I wear the smile, no the best. She a cooler like ice. Who be ready, be my shiny twice. Oh yeah, me vice.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio, Ejim Ekwapi mine. DBMT 97.1. Okuma.
She about, baby she about. My baby she big papa, she don't like how much you share. She be real, while she don't be fake. The way you do work, you make me want to craze, yeah. Colors in the building, see my woman, not just she don't like no do bitching. African woman, we know in tradition. I know what she don't like too much nagging. Oh mama, now you hear me dead. Oh do me pin no granny dead. Oh we are good man, so much. Oh me red. Come on, let's go up tonight. Me day. And she do me right. See my woman, baby. She know the truth, she know the flex. You know see any better. See my woman, yeah. I'm on the two man, yeah. She know the flex. I want to me for our home compare for our face and media no. When I'm saying I'm a kind of way, I won't will be coming all because my kind of quest. Sister, so when from home, she said, oh, yeah, no, fit down so no, me coco no, it don't I don't be boom pet, oh, yeah, me pono, no, I'm on the down in front of my name and my major fans, let me tia, hey, when you say Ebana Hofedia, say when it's here, if you have a body in this wine swash, she got it, Kennedy. Brad, she give me the more, baby. Hey, I see me see a day on dry away. Yeah, I am with you, cause I am. Come and see my woman, baby. And what it do, madam? She know the truth, she know the flex. You know, any better.
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio, Ejim Ekwapi mine. DBMT 97.1. Okuma.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Baby, to you.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
To know I love you to you. Think of me anymore. I love you to you.
Baby, you miss me. What else? Somebody be pumping it. I know say me that you know be together, but sometimes I don't want to give you remember that. We used to talk about the way we go marry, nobody for come between us, man, never back on our back. Do you ever think about the sex? Do you ever think about going back to your ex? I hope some boy for them I was stressed. Everything happened for a reason, but do you regret? Do you miss me?
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Imagine life without you when I'm 60, so I just wanna know how you feel. I don't see you move on, but still.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I just want to know, baby, do you ever think of me anymore? Baby, do you? Me see, I just want
97.1 FM is rocking. Oh yeah, blaze it.
Think of me anymore. Love you, do you?
Wanna see your face, would you wanna? Yes. I swear to God, some members start to drama. If you know the light, tell me, cause me get ready for karma. Oh yeah, me born in me swimming treat to a karma back. Yes. Me then you had connection on the level. Me you go me no your phone, no be the devil. Oh that me no man, me that know what's the level.
Oh yeah, blaze it.
And mommy never call about the beach. Yes, 12 o'clock and I join me never until a street. So okay. West life, no more that repeats. Where you feel no, where we the cuddle one the sheet or the kai. Into quantity in between. Yes. Me the woman to me keep it within, you know. I don't even know where to begin.
I just want to know, baby, do you?
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Forever and ever, forever and ever, ever, ever. I'm here for you I'll be a fool. You're my heart desire, you're my life wire. Your love is true.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Me will see your wrinkles.
Within the A.K.A Castro, me Mandela Market. Ehona me ye watching. Castro ba ko pe no size. Okoman for my de papa. Me feel mu. Okoman for my man ke be wu. Oh, okoman for my je ni nyina. Mummo ne yo. Ye mama adwuma pa. Ene ne pa mo de abo man yim. Ye so ye kura masin twe.
I'll be yours forever and
Okoman Radio. I'm from Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yes, I want you in my life. You damn right I could be your wife. I feel like Superwoman. Now you go be my Spider-Man. Jealousy go share. We still gonna remain. My only Baba.
We are blazing.
Chinchini. My Nancy. Still, we're number one.
Okoman,
It's my boat, forever and
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Can promise, baby girl. Oh yeah. Nothing you to do with me, say.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nothing you to do to make me crazy. Mama, watch me. Nothing you to do to make me crazy. Oh yeah, come on, nothing you to do. I'm my Brahmin chain. Me my Brahmin chain. I'm gonna put this thing on you. I'm my Brahmin chain.
And to my beautiful angels, Trustina Robert the Imperi, Trish Allen, Nana Bina, we are fit Imperi. Munina Michiamo. Lovely kiss. That's a quality, dear. Who's that way, dear? Me, I'm a dear. I'm on what would do.
Just wanna hold you tight.
Just wanna look at you.
My mind. Baby, you're too fine.
Oh yeah. And once again, belated happy birthday going out to you, Vera Yibia Tebi, Mrs. Suhum District. Aha. And to say, Sabi Aboko, dear. And Yamiya Baba Cope. Yeah, Mamma Baba Copo Diantum. And also say a loud voice. You're not cheering on Hopa. Okay, I be a church and
Come make a put this thing on you. Go by.
Go now time with the Chinese man. Emra Super. And you were minimum sort of you simple crown or bonny tinkono. Asa pata.
Oh, better.
Oh, the say.
Oh, me who to win pata.
Miss Amin can was some ye. Ain't you know, me say, I will boat tinko to say apata. Apata, apata.
A chef on by whom to
win. Apata, pata, a fish near worry no.
Pata, apata fish.
Na and at the say weekend no say.
Oh, chef for ho.
Weekend ko ye.
By hold on.
Na now same crofo bi ha wa dwen over the weekend in we guy kakra.
Oh, chef for ya.
Na we hwe baby am we because ka bibia o monte ase. Nkofo bensa.
A.K.A oh to why.
A.K.A kan.
A.K.A by who to win.
And no why guess bi.
Na no da me
no mu nyina ha wa dwen.
DJ who to why you by who.
Okay.
The boy who to me who to
the boy so how.
Oh, Nana Kwame Mpere A.K.A to wa.
Me dey men kan ho.
Me who to ho.
Oh, say me dey wa hu me ntimi ya dey kan.
Oh, chef for
na somebody mama misa say so far so good oba Ghana na no me bisa wo say oba Ghana ya o depa e dey na wo pe wo Ghana pa
Oh Ghana, oh ho me who to yi who to by Saturday so you.
Saturday send you omo yi no.
Hope you to ha.
Na China ni dia nke ye dia fa ho ben.
Oh people who castle to you.
Send your cast ne saso omo ye people no.
People who
are. Na yo fe. Mukro mo ebi ni o
China who to you.
China who people
oh me who to pai ho.
Obi wu ani esu na.
Oh Jevo.
Hey.
Hi Jevo Ghana.
Ghana. As you so funu so pa. Oh, okay.
Ghana.
Yes so funu so.
Saturday so pa traffic to wuti wo yo.
Na Saturday traffic ache. Uko bisa ya say funu ni ego so.
Jevo Ghana.
Oh. Ghana wo eno na wo pe wo ho.
Oh, pa ho to wa.
Eno na mo wani ache Ghana no. Enti na ko ba se samre mu kro nka bibisa nka mo ba ye de.
Oh, Jevo me hu to we.
Mo hu bida. Ewo China ho.
China wo to wa you papa wo to wa.
Uwu a wawu.
Hwekai. O mi hu to wa.
Uwu a den.
Pa o mi hu to we.
Na twake ni so e China kasa wo.
Twake Ghana mi hu to wa you.
Ghana fo pe na be sa.
O mi hu to we.
Wutimi ma yo krom ni yembe kasa sa o masa yesterday wate. Saturday wani je ho.
Oh chef people who you to why?
People no.
Oh wow. Chef.
Eno kra ne ku no.
Chef. Oh
na just ebi supi ebi su wow.
Oh Ghana boys nka to why?
Ghana boys so ha twen.
Chef.
Adena boys ni ye de.
Oh bo tu nzi we.
Ye kosi afuru no.
Oh pai who to we.
Omo jiri. Abo ba pensa. Ne ha wo hu.
Oh China who to why you papa?
China who hu sa.
Oh me who to we you.
Enye wo hu.
Chekai.
Eno de enye.
Oh jada.
Na twake ni ya China kasa wo.
Oh the boy who to win.
The boy na chira o.
Chekai.
Entino abasa sadie wey sania wo se Ghana ye ya ofe sania ye ne ma ha wani age but on pepin pon ane pin no na wo mpe no abasa nka wo ye IGP dampare anka be de
dampare na A.K.A dampare
A.K.A A.K.A dampo
A.K.A who to why
also the busuani
oh yeah who to win pipe who to why
and to no where the home
yeah over the weekend who to why
also over the weekend ocean
dampare Ghana champion ka do why
also Ghana
champion yeah
usro so be usro
no chef for me who do we
wonya no hwe into ntimi fa wonko
ne Chinese man kan eno anam say adampare no we ni pension akro ba chemo na di o support house na omo ko jinsia jinsia ni ni e dem na ofia no dampare
Enti China man.
Oh chefo.
Na akoba sasa mere asa wo fans pa wo town.
Oh. A.K.A who to why?
Oh A.K.A down man. And wa ma unya fans.
Oh me who.
Me who. When you abe
me who.
When you ajo.
Chefo ba ho. Me who.
China man.
Guess
what ye asa China man ya wo ba krom ha. Wo waka guess osofo guess asem no waka sada oba me ni dikomo
China no angasa no emra emu eden wo ho emra bi China ni bia so police ni da no yene nam se hu police ni no na opeka bi achi ahye
oh chefo pai wo be hu tai ga
ya ma mi fi no no ka no
China no yema mema no kwan na umzo ya omodoso nti ya shemra so bia ho baako
na mo krom sa na
mi ho
ana wo so wa baga na oba wudu no
so mi hu to
kwame se wanya ho kwan this ya koma ya belt bia China mema no ya de ball sebe se ne be ya obema no ebe juju kaka
ba o ya we
oh chef for me hu to why
wunim
oh pai hu
say ya better man
oh mi uzo we
uzo ti na Dr. Labi one time one channel
and this is mo be de
ba kunu swaba abrakun swaba
swaba matise ya so osunya ne ho ba bi
okro town okuta oka no ase mu black bia
Honda no okuta se
no the speed intimate we na kasaba we view
okay all right ya mo mu nyina Akwaaba na China ma sani ya enkrofu e ba mo hwe o mo fan wo kro mu ma be ma bi doctors ibi nso abe ye lecturers enchi ye da mase se ma ba me no papa mu anesa
papa ebu
Me papa mo me kai papa. Me say me no ye wiane sa.
Ah, chef pa ho. Papa
China no ka papa mu a. Na je say obi a oni sika.
Ah, chef obi ho we.
Oni mo.
Ma be ho.
Oni dada.
Chef obi ho.
Ah, oni pa. Ah, na za me ka papa mu wo ho na.
Papa ye ho.
Na za oni sika. Say me obetra me ka za oni sika. Obi a dey excavator ba ko si baby a hu baby wo dey.
Chef, by who to why?
Alright, me da say.
Oh, Ghana for to we.
Oh, da Ghana for.
Oh, you.
Me say ko.
Oh, you.
No ane.
Oh, guess Ghana guess who what by you.
Which ya guess
who? Ekropon Manfe. Oh. Amonochrome. Ha, chef by who? Tutu. Ebri.
Apasare.
Ashras.
Abutechi.
Gada
Abutrika di ofia yi.
Gada guess what by you.
Gada what's up?
Gada
guess no answer. All right. Paiwu no ye.
Oh, me also we.
Wo ko. Okay, me da say. All right, Paiwu. Also Paiwu no say. Wo de nyamija.
The boy go to nyamija.
Oh no kire wo. Nyamija. Yan ka say nyamija. Now I'll start with a China man. The latest in the world of sports is Zali AF420 Pepe. Nana Kwame Mpere said the better. Not the latest in the world of sports said the PS. But meantime, dear, my mama dear and Jessica Kakra Ingwe Jumani Kotokum. We're here. Samri. I'm in to find him called Don Pablo Pap. What you say? Now you called Don Pablo Papa there. I was saying shakes. I would do in Ubenyabi. I was Don Pablo Papa. You were banana, strawberry, mango, snow white shake, carrot shake, and for your carrot and mango shake, carrot and banana shake, mixed fruit shake, after mango and a carrot and ginger shake. Okay.
Voice on this beat.
It is somebody there. Embrace says I make a crack go Jumano for 2 more. Ade. If you want my Korea, Nami Kausa Samre, our one shop, our Don Pablo Pap. Now, Ubomadia, Copium, Don Pablo Papa, shakes a hood way now. Ubenya be now so I enjoy your Mandela Junction and if you cry Junction. Yen Krabatan Bako Mandela Junction, Oko Cry Junction, on Krabata Bako so ho. Frey, it's on say your home service and so 0557 734882 0557 734882 and 0552 302607. Don Pablo Pap. I said, but you shakes a hood wall, not one so feel you. Abba. Come on. Give it to that. Happy entertainment, light and sound system, penny for 7 chiao. Namin can't just say what to say, BT, but say ya. Nancy, have a pesca, sir. Fafisro, never Fabra fem. Okay. Famomo. Give it to that. Oh my God. Happy entertainment, light and sound system, penny for the hair. But my dear, sound system, Papa. Lighting system, ni canopies, a hood wall. Afe in Kongwani stage. So, wo pet na hood wall, would be some wall. Say a wedding. Engagement in our old bay. Now, we young Konga na canopy. Now, dear, did you may ya? But my dear, Fabeda, happy entertainment, light and sound system for. I will show man for your capim. Wabembebia Everflow Gigi Susuno from 0275 042594 and 0540 790012 0275 042594 and 0540 790012 will be Joso. Sounds on a piece Montessori and Penny Force and my main cousin Mincho. Once upon a time, na my bomb didn't confirm in May for school. I mean, Cosiomo. Na ye kono. Penny no woman no trustina. Metiso bisa daddy. Daddy, I want to tell you something. I'm saying what? Akwalane buro for risigu hono. Nefe mebie menum. Na pse metisa wo mitimi ka buro fu say ya. Any uncover this time I don't know brody anesa. And Kwalana abanu kuta computer brain. Very fast and smart. It is one more than money titi papa. I'm more than money basics. I be ma Kwalana ni nim die timi akon kan entemwa. Wo ha Kwalano. Da ubon se waye bom no aka chire. Enti school assembly Obia de neba Eko a Peace Montessori. Currently, Menoka say a one teacher, 12 students in a class. Omo combine class and so a 2 teachers, 24 students. Nakayo, Omo Jin Kwalani Fiti crutch 4 months from primary 1. Kosi basic 5. Menoka say in school be makwai. Wo dream ho baby abenya school papa de ama umma. Eni enhwe baby na mfo wani nko baby a na mofu wani kire ekropone kwapem. Hostel Junction. A shoe fabric quantum pono so. Won sabeka Peace Montessori wo ho. Omni impressive colors. And a bon hwenim pe wo Hostel Junction ho. From 050 5829 050 5829 and 020 0177 and 0279 267523. Peace Montessori. I say Obebo Madia ma ubano fapem stronko. Ama ne dachi ensini ye. Okay. Famamo. Give it to them. 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 All right, and chat. Now, Kwame Mpere the veteran say other side. Now, or the latest in the world of sports. Wabamadi andi abre. But meantime, there, Maminchia A.K.A Primus. Make up Primus. Dodona from Wafa A.K.A Kenneth Mante. A.K.A Primus. Nyaminchira, baby, I will be Okay. I dear want to empty a branch po. You see, Obia Musumu ye. I'll buy on open a head. On open a henny a womb. All right, my man Akwaaba, at saying.
Finest, yeah.
Say you're religion to me.
I did dinner to him. I did to him.
Yeah, I hear you. Be more Akwaaba, Bibi Abakodi.
Yanku pardon, finest, Bibi fine. So, yeah.
What's that? Me name me born 442.
Hey, Ujina now. Yes, Alewa. Alewa na.
O say?
Me hu Alewa.
Alewa.
Alewa ginger mix.
One
by one.
One by one. Any one by one. One man one by
volume,
one.
No.
Volume near the we are summary and that DNSC. What is the latest in the world of sports? DNA called Kutrukubo, table tennis, Libya, DNA called Jamugo.
And I own say Okoman Akwaaba. Many on the long tennis, no, Tuja.
Yeah.
Now, Abranse fan Novak Djokovic. On the French Open, no, on the your women leading Open.
Yeah.
Your French Open. Or yini adia oho but Uko French Open Novak Djokovic from Serbia ono ana in what me winning sa competition what me be number 1 in the world in the world of tennis no but Ghana Premier League weekend you so follow kakra na
there be weekend na tight pa
me so sa na right out man come and say them follow right out that Roma weekend is not nipa access so sa yes wa boy juma pa but the Premier League games no course so na there
okay me think that Ice Gold ni football match ana
Ice Gold ni for
Karila
right out Sedana okay someone can
sir na me read news kakra na me unso mu yi match no but me hwa
na one fan asem
there be me
na fan asem anke na one na okay
there me nya call na me read inside say baba kai
to kasa 90 minutes on
okay
kasa 90 minutes
say highlight kakra bi keke ntino me buy me ntimi ahwe ni nyina bio say me hwa match no na news sports segment nana omo highlight
it is saying a results in it here
okay cuz he say
had to folk on so bo fiada ana wafa ebo 1-1 sanso na as good na oka no enso ene Karela ebo 1-1 and omo bo wo ase sanso na Lagos Cities etran kran esha Real Tamale United RTU 3-2
na Lagos City Asamoah waja gba no
Asamoah pamu no
why na pamu no
team ne say obi dia
Enti ne ndia no pamo
so yes yonko no modern months any ntino modern months any na yes 15 match say den apamo ntino no Lagos Cities SRTU 3-2 Samson Aduana we shocking results this weekend Aduana Stars etina fi Odoma Dana Ajima Bedu Park ama Ken Faisal Alhaji Grusa na mano akwa share na 3-1 3-1
wow
yeah 1-1 results
we Faisal no mo bomb modern earlier na mo correct
Ken Faisal fi bia ko last season na wan ko na fi wa trim nani abre akwa share Aduana 3-1 and so was Samson Omina Sharks Dr. Papa ko sin dum team etina Omina Yashama Jim Sesi akwa share na 3-1
ehona Odatalante ye coach no
Odatalante ye coach na am sure
Shark
Odate se ne ye ko idie am sure na Abrante ni Abdul Fattah Ishaku the wonder boy poster boy of Ghana football Abrante sign see form any other bogo and so it made my dream self into 2 matches 2 goals na Abrante ni dey ari Abdul Fattah Ishaku etuma se koroko wow team etina baba yara na mopo finest arewo kutokope any Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko.
Ana ye den. Ada na ni nyina ka ntenten na we nko ade wato.
Say mobo timu yi.
Enye hwe timu na.
Otimi bisa o hwe kwa san.
Ma hwe. Me nya tere.
Me fantuja.
Fatuja.
Ara hu se me fantuja.
Fatuja.
Oh. Mami ko Brekum Chelsea any 11 wonders etimi bo 0-0. Answer ewo ho. Great Olympics. Olimashi. Oli Konson. Oli Rosalinda. Oli Okoman. Oli Phynest. Accra Lions, New Boys, Ebo Academy and Sam, Accra Lions team ba ko media ma any Bibian Go Stars ya tu ali akwose wukwada game no betima ba so na koroko match no oh emobo na ma for twa nim say kraka but fans na kasa fans na say right my anti fans na some of so no ade tu ya
come in there ye hwese say dey si kwane dey atimu say efie ni fie Kwame Mpere ho we ya hyase oh game ne de na enhyeda nye bad sa we players na fine ebi mo emmo ball ni bi wa hada ntina ebi mo finding difficult kaka ba me hu ni say as time goes on no bia be baaye
oh so far no Oma ya de omo mienu nyina ya so kotoko de oni ni be hia akoye se okowale oba na de ne tompa what is ultimate nya ne ho adwuma yi a ba ne sori a nokubu anima ati obi a be hia kotoko a ono proper na obe hia kotoko ati so far omo mienu de omo nya ya de but ye try say anytime bia no kotoko se oba asante kotoko de na de nya ball ni hia yo go su ni ade
oh game no you say kotoko e bobo but ere squad no ayisuko amoy wafi no but mu say ayisuso boy goalkeeper Avaola a boy pa ada miazo mo se koroko timbia se o se team no se Rofi nyamo abemu dia o se dia ya be show jama me no matu koroko team edin se akasima ti se Rofi nyamo abemu ko ade se akasima ko oboa edebe obaji
Enzira no koroko fans no almost somebody to ja only things say friend no akasima nti wo ye den ono bono show ya akasima wo ye den
betimi I magic
o de betum na bibia so etumi I fine ba koroko match no koroko e win 2-0 Abrante and den Abdul Ganiu ebogo ana afin so no Abrante and den Samuel Boateng and so the back with peace. So couldn't be about. But I am Olympics Akache. I want to be said, Bobo Kwanidim, and so no at the Olympics. It may be 3-1 against Accra Lions. After the match, you know, Abranton they didn't somewhat a bit quick about hat-trick or game. No, ultimately they need some attitude.
This is my first hat-trick in the Premier League, and then I'm so much excited, so much happy, and I know though it hasn't been a surprise goals that I scored today, because it's something I used to practice every time before training starts. So luck being on my side, I think the first goal I scored is something I used to practice as training, but sometimes it doesn't work out for the way I want. So today it has been a very good day for me. So I said congratulations to myself.
Congratulations to myself. And then in summer, I Abranton Adam Maxwell A.K.A, great Olympics player, no hat-trick, and then about the two for the first time in this season's Premier League, you know, Abranton last season no form, or not last season no ball, or shot or chairs, and no show, or chico, this season, and said I am, but I had to folk. I'm fact, Red Bull Arena, Sugakope, Ebo 1-1. After the match, some boy do Chirima, supporters senior about week 1, and I say week 1 and week 2 and week 3, so I'm trying to go for them. You see, week 4, fire, and I call them I had to folk.
Maybe from 4th month going, things will change. When our House of Folk started picking up, it's unstoppable. Kofi could, as of now, what you expect from Kofi is not yet up. We know that he plays, but we are still working on his condition-wise. So when he come up, I think it will help the team as well. They are very disciplined. Their tactical awareness is okay. They are very young. They run a lot, but we strategize to not allow them advance, because whenever they cross the center, the only thing that they play fast game to advance, they won't come back. So we plan to block them always. When they get the ball, they should send the ball back or send the ball to the ring so that their wings too are blocked.
And then tactics coach, someone will do Kofi no what for team no flanks and wings and middle there, but still unfa or James Munyabotre match week 4. Oh boy, Diana, we are not able Chelsea. Me wa, and also na so shebe to maba. Week 4 no ye hwe nim se Kofi Yesu obetima ye niama. But already din and so no ade Maxwell Kunadu head coach ade ma Lagos Cities. Ochirema share afi wa media go Lagos Cities victory no. And also nani aje Australia.
It has been a very interesting game. Both teams did well in both halves. I think they played better in the first half and came in strongly in the second half to score a couple of goals. Saying that, I've seen this team when they were in the first division, and I saw them against Olympics. Transformation in the team is wonderful, and I respect them for that. On our side, we found it very difficult to penetrate their back line in the first half. But we went in the second half and we came back very strong and had a couple of goals, like 2 goals. That's changed everything. So I can say that they played in the first half and we played in the second.
And then in summer, coach Maxwell Kunadu, head coach at Lagos Cities, and so to Jana Phynest, young Kodoma, on any Kemfaisa, Alaji Gusa Timono, Amon Fache, Yashi, Aquachi, Diana, SN by 3-1. After the match, Diana supporters in a job. Obviously, goalkeeper Joseph Ado, and coach. And fire Yampamon.
Supporters never can stand. Joseph Fado, what's in room. The friend keeper. Go to the son, Nadia. The changes to be on yet. But then the other sound go forward. No, I be who come beyond that. Mugamu. So why train no what now? The Babodia. Dia so nyawana. Mikokana Ababome. What's him? Now beyond the Radinia. Keeper with Nadia Joseph Fado. Go no Kuno Casano. No Casano. Mesiki parinya de coach nya de yenhiano otinu yenhiano be di hire afanye coach be di yenhiano be di hire coach ya otinu yenhiano
be ya coach Benya Joseph Ado Adriana enti back up coach for Fraba and then supporters Adriana hey I want to judge James and coach Yakawa na nti who play Yakawa na nti abayonga ebe bodia they also say enche until you board ultimate bono or Okawa na we try na na bo na no bodia say what born ya shower ba ku bia na obusu anyway go there
ebi akuma di boy ya chiu
hey yes Adriana fans na dwa omadwa until finest weekend ya na say betumi to your fancy somebody there you say doors na mum no you say na fata say amafo asote no Barcelona Abrante ne din Ansu Fati Abrante ne pra enche no bae so far about 5 matches as 3 goals eno ada anasa na no memeda anti asempa Abrante na san kopra 4 to 6 weeks and Abrante ne din Ansu Fati enso betumi atena fi Manchester United asosiaba mo win weekend ole pressure won so but still board no eden somebody atudwa chim so ole oni baby akoste obetna United ntane ne sama okwan
ana mo pamo no
ole must stay yen akasa mu no ye cho petition da koma Queen Elizabeth chense yen tumi hwe mo obi papa adwuma mo no obi papa metena fi man you for mun keep you ole otena fi a unemployment no kwa na be kosoro
masa
ntino
ontimi njije yesa wati obeko ole oye de obeko
pate won ye oni won ye pate won ye yeah no ye
say any Ethiopia
and
is it likely
Black Stars yawada Black Stars and Ethiopia yawa we you are saying about South Africa
World Cup no me go interest wo papa
mamenje commercial break imbra me ba
na so banana sports na twam
etino you fancy no crowd my head of sports the writer commentator that's why I saying my head in 7 but AK any meeting you try one ba ya ba the boys ba be call lewa no asem kaka na bibia fine
my basa pawo chese wede na aka na nsaped babe wo friends and aduanfo chese MC Kransem basa bi no ka kire mama my basa mi hunu amiyem
me do kan akoma to yem meaning Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System ni you live pub and restaurant din komo dada wedding funeral float anase parties ahodo a omutimi hihye dwumadi esunkuma na ya akono eba sound system lighting canopy nkonwa any tables a owo ni dosopo wo ho
chese one dan wo be vera ni imagine e fefefe sa no
one eba stage crowd ya wo be ma stage sonko eno ani Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System you like pub and restaurants so why a crowd say enuane papa ene nsa papa wo de be hwa ho e de amount wo man fie kuapem omo ben Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012 Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System and you like pub and restaurant omobema wedding no ayekiko pesa ne anoko mata ne was
oh mama meni aje
happy people
Okoman Akwaaba Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1
you're too sexy you're too bad you're too naughty
Mia kase Okoman asofua twumo wie gigete ne to bar to we afa
Abraham Mane Kasei, Mom's joint back, a man for a kufu road, Okoman Radio, oh, we are champion, Okoman from my bank, Kenya crab, must say, baby, minimum van broke crab, or boy, you are not Jew, there soon be a only size what Abraham Mane Kasei, Mom's joint back, a man for a kufu road, Okoman Radio, oh, we are champion, Okoman from my bank, Kenya crab, must say, baby, minimum van broke crab, or boy, you are not Jew, there should be a only size what.
Within the parents, it's girls down there with a
we are blazing.
We are good on queer, let me know. We are the bunch, let me know. We are the pump, let me
Okoman Radio 97.1
You may love me too, but you may have someone else. I'm so many every prayer of my sound on me. As much you know, be for free. Into me name, I come at you. Upon that chink or time, my name. Not drunk or be wouldn't it? Be without the back, I can't tell you. He said, I'm my own social, no, not to me, in the Daniel to pay. Back cross your sorrow. In the figures of today, it's a real hobby. Obi, I go down, queer, I'm here.
if you tap me up when I'm up, me baby see only kunina menatena, into menya waka kind the kiss at nana pa, me pedal part to panago fimina puma, into tasana shas in that chas, me who was in my mon so much at the matadi, can say wakudo, a cuckoo and give you Fernando Po, and your original kitty had to ho, I do this with flow with Sherry Coco, I ain't nina, share, Mama Gaba, Omi Big Tree, Mabana Maba. Okoman Radio 97.1.
I buy a ball banana, bought a cheap, baby, got a stifle. Never been at somebody start my baby, not the other panel. I buy a ball banana, bought a cheap, why I put that morning come. My family now got who can it be?
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Why I put that morning come. My family now got who can it be? I don't go down, darling, I'm baby. Them pass them to me, body. Them pass them to me, body. Whole lot of mercy.
Okoman Radio. Let's go.
My brother, that's so far. My brother, no show. Oh, double banana, double no, double. Cause I miss you that day. Cause I miss you that day.
I used to be a player. Although my sister na me a goalkeeper. Baba kuma no mami na mi kuta. Mr. Boniface odo Sambra.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Emergency doctor, so me move. Odo bubu makuma, mi bebu. Mi turo ni afena mi su. Odo da baby mi tu mi da baby. Rena mi se wumu ti se chobi. Come back up, come back, baby. The Abu Papa, if you come to daddy. Okoman Radio 97.1. I promise you go be my one and only. Captain to the planet.
My brother, not so far. My fiota news yo. Oh, double banana, double no, double. Oh, double banana, cause I miss you that day. Double no, double. Oh, double banana, cause I miss you that day. My brother on the telephone. Anna, baby, you since you went away. What can you do? Mire, bra, oh bra, na my feel. Oh yeah, love you. Easy bra, oh bra, na my feel. Oh yeah, my feel.
Yo jame ebu go makuma ti sepane odo ye wusu ntu me wa me Yehowa asema to me kwa me odo beba na ma ya tia hia mafon bi ne wona me na wana me
Radio 97.1
radio bi aje me ge e bia o se bia I dey go there think country say I dey beg I no go feel it without her I love her ya no ma beje me let her come out no ma bro no ma be fe ma no na wodon so me do papa mi mo bi mfanko mi mo bi mpak wo ge don't worry, or don't be a better fine.
We are blazing.
Very smooth like wine. Captain to the planet. Giddy, girl, you're very good bad there.
My brother, not so far. My fiota news yo.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Cause I miss you that day.
We are blazing.
Mama. May I damn no doya me hawa. A bushia who boy and koto kawa. But you met me no be sawa. Udon a remy woman and me grain sawa. Your baby and I'm a grain sawa. Me wear Japadia Jimmy Dick Chawa. Although I love you from my heart. I don't go lie, I want you for my heart. And then you raise out of my heart. Although you will be the only thing I have. Ochamuhana Padis I what? And then I'm a team man a yard.
Nice shape, I be you know your body bad. Only me Japadi, I me your home bodyguard. I be your money mic, make a sing for you. Other me you would dundo. Your body make a taste for you. You do not make a loco. All I'm saying is that my baby boo I waro. So ni wana maya wa. All I'm saying is that my baby boo I waro. So ni wana maya wa.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Another lie. Odobe woman ma, odona sheme ma. Be a play and so drama me jeme home na. Me se me pemenya, obo me komo hwa. Na nya me, adia me pemenya. Odo ani me wiase bibi a hye na ni ase no bi anse afiase mate a hwe ni do. Me dwene ho ma de a che me si de so na de a che ho ba me life me hu se girl si ni do.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Ami me nyampwe, onko biem na me peda me ye donkwe. Odo wa love you from my heart. I don't go lie, I want you for my heart. And then you raise your on my heart. Although you will be the only thing I have. Give me the mic, make a sing for you. Although me you would dundo. Your body make a case for you. You do not make a loco. All I'm saying is that my baby boo I waro. So you wanna my
baby.
All I'm saying is that my baby boo I waro. So ni wana maya wa. For my heart. I don't go lie, I want you for my heart. And then you raise showers on my heart.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Odima come be chaskele. When I'm remember you not in it. So it's one of me mirror. Oh, been to the boom of me, there's everything can say when he ever gonna get through. Oh, be me my west way. Baby, I grow bet you me. Oh, bet you me when you way. Oh, didn't see that bet you me. Red I want case man can. Baby, I grow bet you me. Hey, one can to my day.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
My west way. Baby, I grow bet you me. Oh, bet you me when you way. Red I want cause a man can be a crow bet you me. Hey, one can't see mommy dre. Oh, didn't see that bet you me. Oh, don't kakura, sika kakura. I'm ready to have it to my ear. Does the one need now when you're mammy qua? And imagine what it. Oh, Dominia Charlie what it. Ain't my man ninja what it. Here be a kawate. Seven pound of me jayo. Seven time is a boxuma. You be before me, go baby.
We are blazing.
Me who am I? Akuma show don't say my mammy. Who na munye genti pe me nesu so me mu. Se wuja mi se kwenti fia. Se dwenyi mre na mami Kwame da. Se mi so mu na twetwe hu ho a. Eni se wara bi de. Be meji me my west way. Baby I grow bet you me.
Okoman Radio.
Didn't see that bet you me. Red I want to say man can. Hey, one can't see mommy dre. Didn't see that bet you me. Oh, me bet you me my west way. Baby, I grow bet you me.
Moving you don't care about me. Nobody I'm from so I want to my phone.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I don't miss yes and I won't come up papa. To me be a can. Show me sunny, I'm in a winner. Yes, I will buy a baby woman.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Papa, how do you show me, Papa? If you're not going on it, imagine me from so hard. Oh, we didn't come over you. And the best me, ask me. I want to hear my baby, and I'm a woman.
I say I'm a one, don't see many girls, but that's where you be different.
Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. I'm big proud of my baby. Here we go. Hey, yo, tell me what's up now. Yeah, show me love. Once you done, they make my heart jump up, jump up. See when I love getting from above. Cause I'm gonna cheat it where you stand up, stand up. So let's truly be a blast. Let's big house, Range Rover, and Gorilla X. Girl, I like the way you flex, oh yes, oh yes. Wherever you wear your space, and it shows west. It's in my comedy fat, that's right. When I'm number one against the shows, I'm we are blazing. New lyrics, fun, trim in your marker. But when you book, then I'm a task it, chance it. To my name, then I'm a market. Then when I make sure I'm an ashity, baby. Made a in the house, come on. So when you come, rather let it all bounce. Anytime, anywhere, rather let it all bounce. Now some book, me love for tower. Okoman Radio 97.1. Anytime, anywhere, rather let it all bounce. Okoman Radio, yes, baby. My lady, yeah, my baby. You call me a fairy, you call me a shine. You call me a shine. Okoman Radio 97.1.
From the start, cause I love the way you are. There's no doubt you are the one. I love you.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Without you by my side, I know for sure that girl will have fun on this ride. Girl, I'll hold you tight, treat you right, take you high, be your knight in shining amor. This I promise you. Girl, I'll hold you tight, treat you right, take you high, be your knight in shining amor. This I promise you, Tikali,
we are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
My baby, fly with me. Boom, boom, I'm eating boom, boom, boom. My engine boom, boom, boom. The deep boom, boom, boom. Hey, you make me fly, fly, fly. I'm to the sky, sky, sky. I'm on the side, side, side. So take me high, hey, hey, you're too far. I'm flying without wings because of you.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Granny me Santos. Picture me, I am said be great mudio. When I call my soul, my dear, it's the end to dream. Oh, day, over me, me prego. Oh, day,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Oh, day, I want to never hold on to do. Oh, day, and for me,
we are blazing.
Over me, prego. Oh, day, over me, prego. Oh, day. Never hold on to do. And family who me no don't you do. Me de Sanga kumati sebo frea. Anka me pay mama way.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
All the pictures I they take before trying to paint my love for you. Don't you hear what them they say? I go love you, make me shame the devil. But you for hold me like your own. Now and forever.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Family who me no don't you do. Me de over me hard me prego. Ode over me hard me prego. Ode I want to never hold on to do. I'm in love with Ode and family who me no don't you do. I'm in love with me de
I'm in love with this cute chick. She drives me on like a Q6. I'm in the wild fantasies, the titties. I'm from the city that make you dance to the music. You know I treat you so well. Be fantasizing about you being my girl. So when I had the chance to touch the bed, I said someone like you or someone like Adele. So tell the world to go to hell. I'm the man on fire, Denzel. I'll buy you shoes, diamonds and pearls.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Odo Jessica, but it to see the bay. So cool, the map. So cool, the body of you was the Canada. Yeah, send the money.
Okoman Radio.
Right, time check in the studio says Sally 57 after 4. Hi, Okoman 97.1 radio. Okay. And this is my all-time favorite, going out to all the sweet women out there. If you believe you have a true heart for your partner, and your first be what you say. Ankoma, Sister Lydia.
Allow me make a enjoy.
Michio, Baby Biaboko, Royal Junction.
Allow me make a enjoy.
Let me enjoy. What will be? Sarah. Misano na Menana Bomodia Akro me say meda ya fra bibi eye Sarah enyum what will be Otimeto mamia Sarah what will be ne abomia na ne madani abomi zonyu no mada Mami Chia Madam Christian Ampere A.K.A Tolage out of the day Shabi be about call there Na abushia ene me wo akuapem nkwala mienu okuapem mu ha enkwala mienu bi asamre me no kasai omo ti okuapem anim I will reality show be a air coso. Na sani Okoman yehwe yetie any a kasa mo kuapema nkwala ya be come inside I was studio mu ha. As part of your social responsibility no. Mami momodi anko studio B wo ho. Na mema Okoman Akwaaba. Na mimi say almost a competition in crowd is saying. Ena ena sambre omadu. Miwo aye Theophilia Odai Asamoah NFA Gifty Yurenchiwa I was studio moha me mama Akwaaba mo to say mo microphone kakra beautiful girls smart girls intelligent mo go school eh
Chabelkov School Complex.
Oh okay now competition na mo na competition be
Pacha Star Kids Talent Show
Ena munyina modu grand finale.
Pachane.
Dabe na ebaso.
Pacha next week.
Okay. Enti no me ne mo be kasa one after the other. Enti me starting fee oye Theodora, right?
Pachane.
Ana Theophilia. Odei eye Asamoah. Hey Theophilia. Na edie na okoye wo star eye show no so de na ye also.
Me pacha metunyum.
Enyum bayi.
Pacha nyumbia.
Enti to ba akoma me. To nia wo ye ya o mo de pick you no to kire me.
Oh yeah mama dream de baby o. Abra kwantu aimu ayese menye bina mato ma dream o. Obinti sika ware ni town for dente na me kona mimbaya nyabotora. Yankoti adra brenwa ya suwa remo. Mekona mimbaya maobonjam fampai pona nyami bwana mibedua metro ma usenya grow mi broni missy insia munata chana soda mimbaya udendo oda komadi mia mana brusuntino udendo insia to chana sentia Matumajim na mafemwa bentino Ukoda kayoda Soda fubiriba naji Insia munata chana soda mimbaya udendo Oda kamadim mana brusuntino udendo Insia to chana sentia Matumajim na mafemwa bentino Ukoda kayoda
Oh, Momonsema Theophilia. Odai Asamoah. Oh, Momonsema studio ma. Momon pra bonsema ho. Enti anyumu we na okoto star show no ho.
Pachani.
Ena yebo modian PK wo.
Pachani.
Week after week nyina anyum na woto ho.
Pachani.
Right. Na where ahe?
Pacha medi 12 years.
Ena otimi to anyum we. Hwan na kire wo?
Pacha ya mi trainer oba.
O trainer ho. Ono cho se na to anyum we. Okay, to baako kan wo de to baako kan na me nko gifting so to baako kan baako ni a woto answer say si amadu grand finale to eno kan mami
Ankwano madede Ankwano madede Ankwano madede Ankwano madede Sodoye wambantemwa Nyobetiani semidaya mansario Ujameno miyari miwo Ankwano madede Ankwano madede Ankwano madede Ankwano madede Sodoye wambantemwa Nyobetiani semidaya mansario Ujameno miyari miwo.
Wow. Momo nsema no. Theodora na wo obi person vote ma wa. Wo code ni ya he.
Pacha mi code ni SK114.
Show ni your friend is saying.
Star Kids Talent Show.
Star Kids Talent Show.
Eti
obi person o vote ma na win ya
Pacha obedi kanya bo star 447 star 511 hash no di mi code aso SK114.
Wow, tobo na bo mo na membra gifting so.
Pacha obedi kanya bo star 447 star 511 hash. Now I me code SK114.
Right. Ain't you know, momon sem emano, bon sema who studio mo. Na say hopefully no a Star Kids talented show koso e was Star TV, right? Ain't you know, montre Chiophilia or day and Samoa any din Obamodiana vote mana no winia or the crew ane ba okuapem enti mame nko gifty range na te say na ene wonso ka competition no ho enti mumienu na moko grand finale mo ya nipa hin na moko aka 8 enti 2 na timanim yo ho enti akoba ne sa gifty wonso de na woto yo modefa o
pacho calling
tournament yi
why na crabeni so be mame same kaudini why na crabeni ye wonko anemedo why na crabeni so be mame same kaudini why na crabeni au ebinyo me shabe bia ma osia gome sana emi dompe o baby anywhere concordon enga kase amshima di pebi enti a pebe me enjani pansa na webu nateni there be ame wama adi ayemio anabakoka bon krokokwa membie me dawasio tasibre ramina bibodia fiseni payadi osaye ame debie onkwa
Momon seven mano studio mu ha momon seven. Wow, that was gifty Irenchua. You know, say no wo hwe ni muso bumbe win it, right?
True.
Okay. You know so code ni e
patch of SK115.
SK115. Where the I?
11 years.
11 years. Na ya say Theophilia edu penny.
True.
Hey. Right. Enti mo nyina mu fi ha.
Pachu.
Ekropo. Right. Enti Samre wonso gifty Irenchua wonso number we person vote tomorrow.
First of all, star 447 star 511 hash no answer mankasami code SK115.
Sense subio.
Obeda star 447 star 511 hash to enter my code capital S capital K 115.
Okay, right. And you know, Samre obeto last song no. Ni awoto ya and na wo finals ni binsi to be lamiti.
Minti na agate remenim. Minti na agate remenim. Many edge now, I got a human. Media minti na agate remenim. Me, I got a human mo biba. I got a human mo biba. You know, Jandu do my gate. On non constant me no, a don't tear. Me on me am shame, or do benia. Me many friend, or J meso, or Babette me, maybe Sandy D, and I try me say, or the Agata yo biba.
Wow. Momon sama mama home munyina my dear Theophilia or day as Samoa and a gifty Irenchua ongoing star talented case ekoso no and addition fee a cropon we kwapem omoye part and parcel of the program omoko grand finale what's it next week Sunday Sunday enti time men omuyi program no 3:00 we be a enti ebe hu se mu TV so and you say amoye stars wo school yi mu muko school aye mama fans pa right there na mo ka che mawofo ene adofo a etie mu there na mo ka che mo me chance ye fi eye gifting so gifty
me ka che adofo so won bo am na mintumi in win. Okay. Since me take up ni be fi am to ma hwe me wusuafo na ma bo a ekuapemen.
O win ya o de be ba Okoman ha wo. Thank you. O de be ba ha ni e de a kire obi a asa ampa Emufre ye ba dwumadi so no mo wini eye kuru we ho. Right. Code ni bi o fa mo na me nko eye Theophilia so.
Star 447 star.
Star
5 star 447 star.
Okay.
511 hash.
Right.
Capital S. Capital K. 115.
Right. Yeah, that's say you tune safre o no also waba. Unja mami.
Papa ni mami.
Right. Theophilia. Also olaso is kabibi chomo.
Mesa ashafo nyina na etiefo nyina se. Won yire mo no vote mami na se me di crew ayi ba na enimonyama ka oman aka ekropon.
Okay.
Na mother via.
And you kwapema nyina. Right. Into code ni dem bio Theophilia.
Star 447 star 511 hash.
Good. Kasagu microphone him.
Now about SK.
Sensi subio.
Star 447 star 511 hash. Now about SK 114.
Okay.
Do BBS.
Yes, yeah, that's it. No encha mama no papa.
Pacha mi chia mi mama and mi uncle.
Okay. Omo na ye omo do ko ho.
Pacha.
Right. Mube wini wate. Mabo Okoman Akwaaba de mube wini ba ko wini abako be wini enso mo no eye first and second eye mo dia mo bo bracket kra mo nyikuru anemra why ye da masepa. Okay, me da so me tun safre mo ba enti ade she fi ekropon ekwapem Theophilia ode asamoa gifty renchiwa eye star case talented eye showa eye koso no abusia enkwala yi mu di mu akotempa mo yento momo na okuapeman sani omu pejo okuapeman dum pempe so kwala nketwa etimi to her life se sebe mpanyin bi serious encha ye de Okoman court bebro but right about time here what is here let it go come on. Open moso
allow me make I enjoy allow me make I enjoy allow me make I enjoy all I want to do is have some fun allow me make I enjoy allow me make I enjoy allow me make I enjoy all I want to do is have some fun que será what will be yeah. I can't come and give myself
Okoman Radio 97.1
I'm calling my voice now make we party yo all the drinks in the house allow me make it enjoy allow me make it enjoy allow me make it enjoy all I want to do is have some fun allow me make it enjoy allow me make it enjoy allow me make it enjoy all I want to do is have some fun
I went away for a while because I'm a son of boy grown out the west I fit the water do I go spend money for the club me I never want to be dull no be lie no be funny no be alone when I pull up everybody come me hug out original bad man I dey enjoy another well no be lie no be funny no be alone when I pull up everybody come me hug out original bad man I dey enjoy another well
allow me make I enjoy allow me make I enjoy allow me make I enjoy all I want to do allow me make I enjoy allow me make I enjoy allow me make I enjoy all I want to do is have some fun
Okoman Radio 97.1
very soon it go be better we go see the sunshine till then I go happy be a kumasi avantie me jimmy am show bia mami ni
Okoman Radio 97.1
see avantie me spend me am phobia mami ni allow me make I enjoy allow me make I enjoy allow me make I enjoy all I want to do is have some fun allow me make I enjoy allow me you allow me
Okoman Radio
all I want to do
Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio
Kumasi Avanti, Hispania, I'm in phobia.
7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
And yes, I may have quadrubi. Oh, you are watching me fat to do. And as I may shoot to lead, Nasa was here. And as I may want to tell me, oh, you was here and I am a fool. Sink it here and do them. Hey, girl, you blow my mind and go for the air you do. Cause I think about love that time and all the things you do. Girl, you make out a Rico. You make a Rico. Girl, you make out a Rico. You make a Rico. Se me siya the gamerenia. Se siya upa gamerenia. Se me siya upa gamerenia. Se siya upa gamerenia. Oh, you are, 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 oh, you are.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Share, me jai nonka. We do last like a golden tulip. Share, o shave ha on my simple semi pie na me nyendu fia. We end the day under. You know the sin and them. But I'm a them. Papa them crash, you know give them. O ma umu bem. O kama sem. The via o ma be film. You do what makumem. Yeah, o don't know that from boko. Sa sidie. Ti me fat na ma polish the nice. I'm an area what they
Cause I think about love that time and all the things you do. Girl, you make out a Rico. You make a Rico. Girl, you make out a Rico. You make a Rico. Se me siya the gamerenia. Se siya upa gamerenia. Se me siya upa gamerenia.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Osombo crack and gold. Come give me some dodo. Mema undi ya bobo. Someone coming home me feeling so cold. Manu pro code and so bobo. But me do your show. We go blow control. Men's roll you be miss flow. You make a nice song. You make a nice song. You be my life more. Who do I like more? Spice up my life more. Why I go the lie yo? My God. Flow king. Say me door says so.
Girl, you make a Rico. You make a Rico. Girl, you make a Rico. You make a Rico. Se me siya the gamerenia. Se siya upa gamerenia. Se me siya upa gamerenia.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you.
We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yes.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nana Jua Akropong. Debi Amitie Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio. Ya Jim Akwabi mine. Debi Amitie 97.1. Okoman.
Wama mesiafin me hwehwe ne owo nya woto bo osu aburo bo me de betu nanim
Okoman Radio 97.1.
One penesu me de tre konkron kra so me hyase enya wode I say enya wode. You know what time it is now.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. We are blazing.
Baby, I love you.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
What else? So cool. I mean, you mean what? Where the girls at? Where the boys at?
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Only be I saw you quite a four. I feel Benjamin so I can draw. Mamma, you know, if you are some more, your brand of dear. Mamma, you know, I'm in feeling okay. Mamma, you know, if you are some more,
Radio 97.1.
Mamma, you know, I'm in feeling okay. But now, baby,
Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
It's come up on the home deno. Much of the one no man a beno. I come to me and one meno. And then I'm yet to miss the most in Nemo. Mini be never share with me Lamojin. Kakraba me who me can't cook. Maybe I was in my main limousine. Yes, I may you figure say I come joke. And I came more city my belle. Premise Chingana my ice cube. Kala for the when you must say well. We can stand for ice cube. Obianga is Sikana Moya paperwork. And your family chain and the consquare. Remember who you are, they made you more what I wear. The sea and I'm one day and then compare. You never can say. What else?
We are blazing.
At the age of 30, over now 40, you know, you assume. What is so much battery? No,
Okoman Radio.
One way now, Big Maria, and Chester was my pattern. Obidia Banapa, Obidia Banimra. Namimra, and I shall Gucci, I was the bay, or himself. Baby,
we are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Think of you, I go change my life. My baby waits for me. I want to know
Radio,
what I'm making, full of confusion. I will do anything for your love.
107.1.
Adina. Right about time. Time check is exactly 26 after 5. And of course, it is what it is on radio. Don't get it twisted. The right time and the right dial. Oh, okay. Ejaka Shenko mo bibiara o tie kasa fidie samre mra so say ya de Okoman Akwaaba to bremo. But meantime dear, this is the song.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Right that wa sisi you ni bi. Enso sa wo so aka. Okay. To that. Energy. Give it to them. Energy. For more. Wind it up. Cock it up. Wind it up. Cock it up. Cock it up. Wind it up. Cock it up. Wind it up. Energy. We're a Monday party on the radio. Once again, I go by the name Nana Kwame Mpere A.K.A. You can call me the finest. And man, you know, catch you in me. Shout outs going out to you once again, Mr. Mante, A.K.A. Primus. I just am. Okay. And then move on to me as a sebe. Yeah, they're not church now. Enti mami ma papa if you ra. Me man Akwaaba shrunko. Sorry for any abria. Move camera and turn the studio ma. Okay, camera no. Ziggy, for turn so kakra. Na omo Facebook hu ni e so studio mo. Na serious. Sani ya odi ade ya boniti. Na nani abre ne mba yi so no. Mame ko ne ho. Me mo Akwaaba.
Krachi, wenye Akwaaba ma. Enani pani abre ofia. Ni pani abre papa na ma hweya. Mia mema. Omo de can be nanka.
Aseme.
Omo de can be nanka.
And what is the problem?
Mami che wati fo nyina.
Omo jomo so.
Ti Okoman Ghana ha be bibia Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. Kache asembi.
Debi.
Me manie. Na show mo, me ana me wo mo. No mako school. Ibi wo training college. Ibi wo university. Ibi wo university.
Omo chira de.
Omo wie.
Omo chira de.
Omo chira de, omo nya adwuma.
Omo wie.
Omo nya adwuma.
Okay.
Omo ko school ba omo se be posting ansa. Na ka minimu yi ka ko wie school ay mo adwuma na wa ye. Mo ma fie no, lad be kakra mitua. Kwame, unu watie fo ni dance mame akokora me ne me yire. Enu 50 Ghana, ana mo kan se 500 no. Enu 50 Ghana. Mo ba fie na nsen ya se ma wie school. Mo ba na nsen ya kwa afinie. Nanu ya me kwa chake me Ladberry ya. Yes, Ladberry na be do 1,000 Ghana cedi. I'm say bo ba ko pe no. Me check ya ni yes mo ko school no, mo isu laptop, mo isu radio, mo isu den. Samudi ni nyina ba fie fridge nyina ka ho. Na za na tie dia Ladberry na ba 1,000 no me ne mo che.
Only kwala.
Ai me manu me ne wo mo che Ladberry no atua. Mintimi yisika hwam school fees. Na mu nwa suku nya adwuma bi afe mama aduane di na mo san beda dem da ifie dem ya na msiye mama obi adanse wonnem na maba na emitua 50 cedi na se sia afinie this month ya Ladberry na ko 1,000 cedis a me say 1,000 cedis nko tua Ladberry na me san mamu nsuo na me san mama aduane ni mintumi nya sa me so obi afa Ladberry kakra mra nya sa dia me ya homa na fim obi aweda sumu e be ka me ne me yire kra dan pe na light be bem bobo ba ko radio ba ko akokra mo ba ya mo 1,000 cedis aso mo so fashion ni that time dem go school mo go bad man na mo tell Ladibere mamia mo se mo ba mo ntu ahwe
right na say wa asem ne say wo meya wa hwe mo awi a samre o mo twa mo posting akoba say
wo mo nti na mama Ladibere akosoro ye chetua
ana so wa kasa o mo nya adwuma nti o mo ntia
mo nya adwuma ka mo use light
what be that
some papa
papa dey aka
je
enyo papa
enti dey eti mi moka 10 million akukura te say me ma pum wo sika nyina dey ahwe mu school
mama ma Okoman Akwaaba oba ba ko dem na oba me ma Akwaaba
ye nua ye janso
na bibia boko de
bibia boko
na mo ye
nti a etiefo
omo joso na den na papa charge side dura ka body tibio
ni chese papa we ya shock ye na ye tie kura ye ho adwiri ye na say na eja ye ne ma
He say sumo jolo say den na wa
chese papa no ye gangster ye ni
baba de unyi mo na ye guy o na wo timo na ye de unyi o ye guy o timo de
all right
o sabu na ho
ye tinu say si ano mu betua ana se mu ntua
yentua
sasa na ye papa be yo no so nko ne papa fie
no ja fie
yo papa fie yo no so nko ne papa fie
no so nko ne papa fie
mo chire ye ne ya ba betina on check akra se ne papa we si fe di ani no je se wo be yi light na ne ye nda su mu
baba se na wa di
ne ye ne ato atade
am cross mutu mi fa mo yonko fo phone wa ba charge wo fie ho dan me kwa ye me ba ne ba ko we doctor ni Dr. Dampare Okoto DSTV yesi e bobor Barcelona nso no Chelsea Barcelona football 3-3 nkrofo egu o mo hwe no o mo hwe ball no yesi andom mo koye me na mentua nkrofo Ladibere ana me sa na dia Kofi ECG Kofi coach wo meyi light no efi mi man dem na nka me nkwa me de ana mu se me de ndia metua na se me ni o mo de nya de metua da
mo e ba be charge e phone ba be charge wo
ba be sua ma boys na be hwe
ba be charge wo adenti na wo ya bai onya ya papa ya se nya abotre o mu posti e nyina kakra e me yi ne ya ma o
ene amunko ECG ho kan twa mo se beri ni ye posti o mu na mu nya dwuma ya no ye tua ka no abetua mo na ECG fa me ha ma adwene amunko kan twa ban na as far as me nkwa me 10 million ne de me ni o mo che ne pepepe we ne ye panyi ye betua 300 When not to me about no to 300, get on 250.
250 yakofa wefa.
250.
Yakofa wefa.
Shiri mo mayano. Kwame omo mayano na Ladibere no about 50 Ghana pe. And the meet ya. Me omo mame. Omo baye Kwame afidie last month October imu bere baye no 10 million 1000 Ghana. Mean to me.
Jama we no be illegal.
And you buy into na bill akosoro. And the aduane so e I said, so one out to the other. The one out to the other.
I said, when you get me, Mamma, this show goes on. Pity be on me. Anyone, graduate, I won't get in anyone. What I say?
School now, sir. Yakwaba, Yakuba, don't wash it. You
so the after out. I don't show.
Eh? No, damn.
And young one fed them baha. Anyansa akada ho. Ana me say mo na mo ya crash for mo tia. Me ne mo cha tia. Muti mo ko school no mama allowance.
Allowance ya na to e
buku na me to re he wan ko sua
e. Ni na kwasika no my half.
Etra me dia ba so Okoman tie for enka bi ma me. So mo ka se tie for no ka se. Amia na me ma mintua Ladibere dia. And ya meni ombe chetua
ubetua oni etiefo ne be chetua
obi obeka bibia obi obeka bibia no meni ne be che
popi ubetua
me man de da be nsa dia anwumre ya
kokora betua enu betua fifi o wati bi da
ye ne asem ne etietia sesi an ye papa fi ne wo no enti wo hwe na ontumi ntena pawcho nso ko wa ajafi na agya ye ajafi man ko nso ko papa fi
enti no abushia sei amema mabam Nia akowie ene se sambre papa ichira ne mai omo wie school ati ne fie na ne fie na omote no omo mae no otua library 50 Ghana cedi akoba se nkola ibegu fie wo pe ko 1 year ni no 1000 na eba 1000 10 million nkwa na eba enti oche library ya mankwala nkwala nsusu omo nya adwuma enti no papa ni ntimi nche live bill ne sa mfa mo to papa fie se papa ne feel say omo ti ni fie na omo obo ne ka ono nso nkotena ne papa fie no nya fie ni mo. Okay, mama mra phone lines in so 0270191971. Hey, Oma san ko mo ho. MTM. I need to go back home. There's a network that go. All right, go Facebook Live. Nabo madi alpha. Hey, a house so Tiago. All right, anyway, Facebook Live here, Okoman Radio 97.1. We wait me ako tro. Ye beje mrenso akan wo ho pepepe. Papa infifio. No nya fie ni man kwalai. Ana onye ko no no duo nkotia. Na enkwalai nya adwuma. O ma sorte o mo papa. So ati ase. Right.
It's here for Mumbra Facebook me papa.
Mumbra Facebook.
Youngster man. Papa.
Also Mumbra.
Mumbra Facebook. No mo de mo me share papa.
O me hwe papa.
Mo hu sani papa isi fati ana mo hu say papa we gangster.
And trademark. Trademark.
Trademark. Anyway, 0270191971. 0270191971. You know, ube to me ako Facebook na do comment and so ako follow. Yebebo madia a kind of fefe. Mamo from Mumba no Emma no. Yes, repa enya yen. Yes, emergency call. Na bedaso. Mesamo network no. Mobile mu he bibi yo. Mobile mu he bibi ye na munyae. Daniel Yaumens. Echina wawoda Daniel Yaumens. Happy birthday in advance. Okay. Okoman. 97.1 Radio Okoman. We are loud and crystal clear. Hey, so many A.K.A De Asio Jamang Anko si vota regime pe aveme Georgia in Krakan 40 miles. Asinema people ase ye checha munyina afefiti monochrome yenko abutachi nko mampo nko tututu nko obosomase nko ahwere ase nko eburu nko pedua ase kita ase yeko neba afemicha koforidia sushen kofodia abo zongo kofodia fidia ase Morovia Michechi amunyina Mamicha ya from Morgano say we a teacher ewo Nifa Senior High School. A Morgano today say bibi abako there and shout outs going out to you Kofi Archery Police Senior Owosum Asenana mitiosa Up. Okay, mami nko aye studio munu na meni omo ensa nko kasa se bia papa na nya adwensa kire bia obayi
aja
akoba se isi a yesi network no enti ya menya production team kire me a yesi omaji omo network enti no se zi ade emai yeah iti no ebe ya momi enka no wofie mu ha
me kura minya ya enka aban ni wo monka sesi a no kwoto credit na ebeti akwa omuntimfim omunka nkyere se bia 2 o'clock network ebeti akwa nti kwoto credit na ya tfm yes ade a dakro omute ya nam de ma begina kwoto ha MTN for no manso de ede
na etel
manso de ede say what is sika abukura te say me na matisika ko to MTN na MTN ye bobo no no
MTN pe network ni nyina atiko.
Network Tigo. Network yo.
Vodafone ba.
Yo.
Vodafone ba. Oh, okay.
Yo.
Okay. Vodafone. Move Vodafone line na mami na.
Vodafone line bien ya.
Oze.
Hey. Ana make us say. Ya tisika ada.
Okay. Eti network ni nyina atiko. Oh.
Atiko.
Oh. Right. MTN. Oh, okay. Na just say Airtel to go.
Airtel. Me jare ye ba anu abia.
Anu abia.
Anu ade na.
Anu ade no. Enti na say Airtel to go pen article. Okay. Yeah, let go. Thank you. Okay. Line here back up 0270191971 0270191971. Enti Samria ya chere network na atikoyi.
Ocha masande aba.
Obesade. And you was say we betwim wache.
Ajo de betwim.
Amesha mo betimi akọ Facebook na mo comment about na makan Facebook. Wo frame wo Facebook am ntimi mfa. But wo kọ honom na akọ twere ho a ehon so bi. Chamo. Champa. Okay, says ya busha, akoba say mo papa say, one mo chesike ye chia, munyintum. Munyintum.
Yeah, can boko.
Enti dia na mo ka che mo papa say sia, no so ne koma abafem.
Kwame Akropon capital ba company capital safro me ko hu na nwumre ya dan no modam no o me bram achire ai
wa wo ma no mo godai
me se na me ma te no ma adwe se me di be se 85 years ya and then aka 5 years number be wu me dan be high 200 years yes
just say no o ma yenti ne
enya me nyama asem se lad be kwa na muntua ya
e be yes e be do na esie de
se ende be enya ma asem be do na me fa na mbo transfer makwesi mu de no
ana se wan
anyumre ya mitum
ya nkwa baby
na mo se muntua lad be ne de anyumre ya mitum
ya de actualize
na one material school fees nyina echi no mobile na lad be na kwosoro amuntu amensentu lad be no
esi ebia na obi aba between be illegal no because you ntumi
me ntumi ye illegal mo na mbo illegal
obi na ebia na obi na abetween
ne ebeba no se echina nyampa mesa to nsafre mo na asemwe mama atiefo de o madwe nkyira ba senior network na akoye nne no atiefo we de mo amo frɛ nyina mo fa nkyɛ
magima di kura se me bayi na danfo ba ko mi se o ye adwuma oguro senfa jema ono a oka kire ne se me ba court nti obesi da ba ko no na ba ko ne Vodafone hwan na wo mate
okay
mo che da yefim se ne be ya asema me ba be kan nyina no
enya adwuma
ase o mu se de o mu difo
okay okay no asem kriya echina mehwe na matonsa frem na me because akoba say ade network na mwa me ende enti no say akoda emergency yemfa mun si ande so ati ase ye from na Kwame Mpere ubeti be from the finest meme nyina aka chire me nyame amane ya da so ti ase a echina me no be ba be ye kai. Said life in this world is a great struggle both for the young and old, and even those who greater riches are troubles on your own. Rich man envy poor man envy the rich. Therefore, what is the sense in envying your neighbor? Love one another more. Don't do kind. LBBA. I am out like that.
Call your mommy, make I call my mommy. Where they everybody they should hear what I have to.
Obia pe says AC. Trese, it will gold-plated things. Yet the copper pipes pa pebi na ye. Gas ya, and for how biam roda.
In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and initial setup of the 43UM7400 4K TV from LG. The 43UM7400 is part of LG's 2019 range of 4K TVs, and it features a 3840 by 2160 resolution on a 10-bit IPS panel with HDR that measures 43 inches diagonally. Some people may consider 43 inches to be a little bit small by today's standards, but if you're sitting around 6 or 7 feet away from the display, it's ideal. Inside this plastic bag, you get a quick start guide with a list of the contents, an information sheet with some technical specifications, a booklet advertising Rakuten TV, an owner's manual with safety information, a warranty booklet, an energy efficiency sticker, a pack of 3 black screws for attaching the stand, and finally the remote control. The remote included with the set is simple but functional, and it includes dedicated buttons for Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. For extra functionality including voice control, you can upgrade to LG's Magic Remote, which is available to buy separately. The stand is a single crescent-shaped stand that fits to the middle of the TV and is held in place, but it's not particularly thick. Among the main ports you'll find digital audio out, an Ethernet port, a further 2 HDMI ports, one of which is our cable going to my cable box. Once power is connected, you'll see a small glowing red LED just below the LG logo on the front bezel. When switching it on for the first time, it takes quite a while for the TV to boot up. Eventually, you'll be presented with a first-time setup wizard. First, press OK on the remote. Then choose your country, language, and time zone. You can then choose, you can select what agreements to agree, you can terrestrial TV antenna. When I switch the output to the TV, so I'll just skip over this part. Finally, if you have an antenna connected, the TV will automatically tune and store the available channels. Since I'm not using an antenna, I just switched over to the HDMI input for my cable box instead. When I switched the output resolution from my box from 1080p to 4K, the TV displayed a message saying that Ultra HD Deep Color would be turned on. This means that HDR is enabled, giving a wider color gamut with more realistic and natural looking colors and finer detail. Pressing the Netflix button will obviously open the Netflix app. The TV will automatically update to the latest version first, and once installed you can enter your Netflix username and password if you have a Netflix account, or sign up for a free 30-day trial. For watching YouTube, you just
Okoman Radio 97.1
content store. Another feature that I found very useful is the two compatibility forums of iOS devices, sharp, detailed images, and sound. Another feature that I found very useful was the built-in AirPlay 2 compatibility forums of iOS devices or Macs. I can use the TV to mirror my Mac screen or use it as an additional screen just by clicking an option. I can also stream content directly from my
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Although this is a very expensive TV price. Beautiful vivid colors with fantastic, especially in HDR. There is also very fast